Leave gas behind with the RYOBI 40V HP Brushless 21-inch self-propelled multi-blade mower. With more power than a 170cc gas lawnmower, it can tackle up to 3/4 of an acre with up to 75 minutes of runtime. The cross-cut multi-blade system delivers superior cutting performance with the industry's best side discharge and mulching. Then easily switch to best-in-class bagging. Cut Command Center provides easy access to the ultimate control you need, while Smart Track variable speed self-propelled technology allows you to adjust your speed on the fly to finish your work quickly and with ease. Gas performance, cordless convenience, part of the 40-volt system, exclusively at the Home Depot.